If you've ever wanted to create something real from your own ideas, a 3D printer can make that possible, but only if you choose the right one. In this video, I'm showing you the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026 that truly stand out in print quality, speed, and reliability. These are the models worth your attention. All product buy links are in the video description. Stay till the end to find the perfect one for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. Bamboo Lab H2S is a large format personal manufacturing hub that packs serious speed, precision, and flexibility into one machine. With a huge 340 by 320 by 340 millimeter build volume, up to 30% faster printing than the X1C, and toolhead speeds up to 1,000 millimeters per second, with accelerations up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. So bigger parts and full-scale projects can come together with far less waiting. For demanding materials, it brings a 350 degrees Celsius hot end and a 65 degrees Celsius actively heated chamber, helping everything from PLA and PETG to PC and PPA print with better layer adhesion and less warping, while closed-loop thermal control supports cleaner, more reliable results on high-performance filaments. Inside, the H2S leans hard into accuracy with Bamboo Lab's PMSM servo extrusion system. 67% more extrusion force, a 20 kHz feedback loop, vision encoder motion accuracy under 50 micrometers, auto hole and contour compensation, and active vibration compensation, while 23 sensors and 3 onboard cameras watch for grinding, clogs, spaghetti, jams, and other failures before they ruin a print. It also feels built for real-world use, with auto venting and filament drying, quiet operation below 50 decibels, an all-metal die-cast chassis, quick swap nozzles, and support for laser cutting and engraving in the laser full combo with 10-watt 445 nanometer laser power, plus the kind of safety monitoring and offline capable control that makes it feel like a serious production tool rather than just another desktop printer. Bamboo Lab H2S turns big ideas into clean, confident results. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra X is a new standard for entry-level multicolor 3D printing built to simplify the whole process while giving creators the speed, control, and color range they actually want. Instead of a complicated traditional setup, it puts the feeding and retraction system directly into the printhead, with the cutter placed just 35 millimeters from the nozzle, cutting filament change distance by over 81.25% and making color swaps faster while reducing purge waste. Its built-in 4-color capability pushes multicolor printing into a more practical, efficient space, and with support for up to 19-color printing, the creative range goes far beyond the basics. ACE Gen 2 Adaptive Extrusion adds another layer of intelligence by detecting material hardness in real time and automatically adjusting extrusion force, which helps soft and hard multi-material printing run smoothly without constant correction. The result is stronger performance, better material handling, and a more cost-saving purging solution that keeps the workflow cleaner and more efficient. A top-mounted spool holder opens up workspace, improves stability, and supports consistent print quality even during high-speed operation, while optimized X, Y, and Z-axis repeat precision works with a next-generation leveling algorithm based on multi-point data modeling to make setup faster, smarter, and more accurate. Refined heat conductor wire routing creates a stable, uniform foundation for every print, and automatic calibration helps maintain precision throughout the entire printing process, so the machine stays dependable from start to finish. For convenience, the quick-release hot end makes customization fast and easy, and one-click printing puts the full process under intelligent system control, so getting started feels simple instead of technical. The built-in intelligent monitoring system tracks print status in real time, adding confidence during longer jobs, and at just 48 decibels, the Cobra X stays whisper quiet so it never takes over the room.
All of that power is backed by AnyCubic Slicer, which unlocks the hardware with advanced software and professional pre-configured profiles, letting users click print and walk away with less guesswork and more consistent results. Affordable, efficient, and rock-solid in daily use, AnyCubic Cobra X brings multicolor printing to creators in a way that feels practical, fast, and genuinely ready for real projects. A smarter way to print, from the first color to the final layer.
Number 3. SnapMaker Artisan is a serious all-in-one desktop maker that brings 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, and CNC machining together in a way that actually makes sense for real projects. The first thing that stands out is the size and build quality. With a large 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter work area, an all-metal frame, industrial-grade linear rails, and a one-piece die-cast base plate that keeps everything steady even when the machine is moving fast. The 7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to check job previews, monitor temperatures, and manage settings without digging through menus, while the tool-free quick swap design makes changing between functions much less of a chore. For 3D printing, it supports enhanced dual extrusion, auto-leveling, multiple nozzle sizes, a zone-heated bed, and nozzle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, which opens the door to cleaner first layers, easier support removal, and more demanding materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, nylon, carbon fiber reinforced nylon, glass fiber reinforced nylon, PVA, HIS, and breakaway support material. The laser modules add another level of usefulness with 10-watt and 40-watt options, autofocus, camera preview, and support for detailed engraving and cutting on a wide range of materials, while the enclosure improves safety by pausing work when the door opens and helping block laser exposure and noise. The CNC side is just as serious, with a 200-watt module, ER11 collet support, higher spindle speed, and presets in Luban software that help reduce mistakes and wasted time. Luban ties the whole system together with one place for printing, laser work, and CNC jobs, and the machine also supports Wi-Fi, USB, and flash drive transfer, plus an emergency stop, sound alerts, a rotary module, and an air purifier for a more complete setup. SnapMaker Artisan gives a desktop workshop real range without making the workflow complicated. Number 2. Creality Spark Xi7 is a smart multicolor 3D printer that makes setup, monitoring, and color printing feel far simpler without losing speed or quality. It uses AI-powered CubeMe creation to turn portraits into 3D models in seconds, then gets ready in under 5 minutes with no assembly, auto bed leveling, nozzle Z offset, and input shaping handled automatically before printing starts. Its smart filament system supports auto-load and mid-print refill, so large jobs can keep going without pauses, while its 260 by 260 by 225 millimeter build volume gives plenty of space for everything from miniatures to bigger prints. The printer also supports up to 4 color printing, shows status through a programmable RGB light bar, and uses an AI camera to spot spaghetti, air printing, filament entanglement, and build plate issues in real time. Pressure advance, input shaping, quick release hot end design, and a quiet 48 dB operating profile help keep prints cleaner, smoother, and easier to manage. Number 1. Original Prusa Core 1 is a reliable all-around 3D printer that brings fast setup, strong build quality, and serious material support into one compact machine. It uses a fully enclosed Core XY design with active temperature control, a heated chamber that reaches up to 55 degrees Celsius, and a print area of 250 by 220 by 270 millimeters, giving it the stability and space needed for everything from everyday parts to demanding prototypes. The all-steel exoskeleton adds rigidity, while the plug and print workflow and automatic calibration help get the first print started in about 10 minutes after unpacking. It also supports over 200 ready-to-use material profiles, so printing with PLA, PETG, ASA, PC, or nylon feels straightforward rather than complicated. The Prusa Core 1 feels like a printer made to stay useful for the long run.